Have you ever wondered if the sounds you hear at work might be too loud, or if your employer is taking steps to protect your hearing? It is a great question to consider, because long-term exposure to high noise levels can unfortunately lead to permanent hearing damage. Companies track employee noise exposure primarily by using specialized instruments like sound level meters and noise dosimeters. These tools help them measure how loud the workplace environment is and for how long employees are exposed to those sound levels. The main reason companies monitor noise is to comply with safety regulations, particularly those set by organizations like the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA. These regulations establish specific limits on how much noise an employee can be exposed to over an 8-hour workday without needing protective measures. This is often referred to as the permissible exposure limit, or PEL, which is typically 90 decibels, and an action level, or a L at 85 decibels, which triggers a hearing conservation program. To put this into practice, companies conduct two main types of measurements. For an overall picture of the general noise level in an area, they use a sound level meter. This handheld device provides instant readings of sound intensity. However, to understand an individual employee's exposure throughout their shift, especially if they move around, a noise dosimeter is used. This small, wearable device records sound levels continuously, calculating a time-weighted average that reflects their total daily noise dose. Beyond just measuring, companies must also keep detailed records of these assessments, including the dates, locations, and personnel involved. They also use the data to identify specific areas or tasks where noise reduction strategies are most needed, such as implementing engineering controls to dampen sound or providing personal protective equipment like earplugs or earmuffs. These comprehensive programs, sometimes called hearing conservation programs, aim to prevent noise-induced hearing loss through ongoing monitoring and employee education. By systematically tracking noise exposure, companies not only meet regulatory requirements but also create a safer and healthier environment for their employees. This proactive approach helps protect workers from preventable hearing damage, ensuring they can continue to enjoy the sounds of life long after their workdays are done.